Marie, and I'm back with another video. In today's episode, I will be doing a Chamoy Pickle Kit Part 2, but with more Chamoy Treats this time. So I moved the camera a little closer so we can get up close and personal, but this is a Chamoy Treats box. I ordered this from Chamoy Treats. I really don't know what's all in here, but we're about to see. On the side, I have my tahine. And tell me why in the other video I was calling this Tajin. See, it can tell when black people don't know Spanish because we just call stuff anything. But I have my tahine, fruit roll up, and Takis on the side because, oh my God, I be seeing them try the Chamoy pickle with Takis. I have a knife just in case I need to dig the hole in the middle of the pickle, just in case they don't got a little scooper. I got a plate, and then just in case I need to pour my chamoy juice in this glass, I'm ready. Ooh. So inside it looks like this. It's packed real nice, and it has thank you for supporting my small business. I also have a Valentine's Day sucker. It's wrapped real nice. Oh, bougie. Box inside of a box. Okay, let me put this aside. So this is what the Chamoy Treats box looked like. It's actually smaller than what I thought. Put this open. So this is what the inside look like, and it is full of a lot of things that I probably can't even pronounce, but whatever. It's gonna get ate. See, yeah, I don't even know what this called. Look like some gummy rings, but whatever. It's gonna get ate. Some type of sucker, I'm guessing. Like I said, this is more of Chamoy Treats, but it's a mini pickle kit inside it. A mini Chamoy pickle kit inside it. Paleta, payaso. Well, I tried. Popping candy. Okay, this in English. Fruit by the foot. Relerindas. Y'all, I'm gonna get enough for trying to taste stuff and eat stuff. I forgot what they call this. Something about a gumball. Something. I don't know. I don't even know if that. Something about a big gummy. Something. I don't know. I'm going to have to drop everything in the description box because obviously I don't know the name of this stuff. But, of course, the Chamoy Pickle Kit. Mini Tex dill pickle and chamoy. And this time at least it's not froze. But obviously it's been sitting in the house for a while. So it had time to unthaw. The little sauce that I had last time. They stingy with this salsaguetti, but I guess it's okay because I did, but I guess it's okay because I do have a lot of other stuff over here. I'm gonna have to zoom the camera in a little bit more so y'all can see. So I just had to zoom the camera in just a little bit because like I said, the up close and personal is here. What do I want to start with first? I know I had unsealed these, and I thought they were some gummy worms. I mean, I thought they were some gummy rings, but they look like some gushers, whatever it's called. Let me taste. These are nice. Okay. Come on now, running out. cut a piece. Let's I love pickles, so I know that one gonna taste nasty. First, we're gonna dig a hole. Do I need a spoon? I'm so ghetto. Cause why I'm doing this to make a hole? I know I'm running out. We're gonna go in with fruit by the foot. Fruit roll up. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, them gushers, they good. I'm not gonna cap. I'm put it on top. I'm put it on top of this fruit by the foot. And now the whole pickle is covered. Am I the only one who eat their Takis like that? Lick all the stuff off of it. Ooh. And then you eat it. Some gushers down up in there. Okay. Salsaguetti, and y'all fell in love with that salsaguetti. Salsaguetti have its own sauce to come with it. That's what you're about to see me put on here. I'm gonna put one chip in here. And it has to be a fat one. Are y'all scared for me to taste this? Cause I am. I always get choked. Oh. Yeah, I know better. I'm good enough. Y'all think I'm ready? I need to add some more stuff. I think I'm ready. Oh. It's so much. Hold on. Let me zoom in just a little close. Hey, but this video done been shot in so many angles, but I'm gonna add another. Oh my god, y'all. I'm gonna add another chip. Y'all ready? I had to crunch the chip down first because the only thing I could think about was me swallowing that chip. Here we go. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. This stuff is spicy. I mean, that chip is spicy. So, y'all done seen me taste this pickle. I guess we can taste all the rest of the treats. So, like I said, these gushers, whatever, they good for real. Super good. I ain't gonna cap, I'm not eating at Valentine's Day sucker. I taste this already. Like I said, it's some type of hard type of candy, and I need my Mexican people to fill me in. What is this? It say Relorendos. I have to look that up once I'm done with this video. But where is that? Because I had opened one and I threw it. Acting like a kid. When you don't want something, you throw it. But it tastes good. It's just hard, and I think it's something that you have to suck on because it's filled with something. Yeah, it tastes good though. So that's that. I have this, which I don't know what this is. What the? Okay, I'm confused. It's so hard. What the? Then my hand's sticky. Okay, I really don't know. Tastes like mango, and it like it got some tahini at the bottom of it. I don't know, but it's hard. It won't pull out. Enjoy the harmony of chocolate, crispy biscuit, and popping candy. That don't sound right, but I'll taste it for y'all. Dang. Chocolate. I'm really not a fan of chocolate. Like I broke my 2 front teeth. Anywho, only thing we have left is this little ball. That they call this something though. I'm gonna have to drop it in the description box for y'all. It smells weird. It's like a gummy something. Oh, yeah, little gummy. Call it gummy something. Cause they got like a pickle kit for this gummy thing too. I seen on somebody TikTok. But yeah. Oh, I forgot about this. I think this chocolate too. If it is going in the trash, Exceso Caloritos. Okay, I probably didn't say that right. I done ran out. I think this is really chocolate though. That's what it looked like. Oh, this is definitely chocolate. Ugh. No, y'all Mexicans got it. Thank y'all for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.